Salmons again with Quality Connect YouTube channel, and I'm here with Andrew Wellwood, the founder of Quality Connect, and today we're going to be talking about how construction management software helps builders. So this is a quote from Michael Porter. Strategy is about setting yourself apart from the competition. It's not a matter of being better at what you do, it's a matter of being different at what you do. Now here's a quick fun statistic for you. In terms of budgets, 82% of the surveyed construction companies plan to spend the same or more on technology this year. So with that, Andrew, can you tell me a little bit about your construction management software and the trends that you're seeing right now?
Well, one, I think that statistic is geared a lot more towards larger construction companies. Unfortunately, a lot of the smaller guys, they don't have a budget for it. They don't even know what it costs to add it into a budget, to add it in for construction management software. So we didn't want something that was outrageous in cost. We didn't want something that you needed a university degree to operate, or you had to be construction management software
Savvy.
Yeah, savvy. You didn't need a diploma in it or a degree or anything like that to operate. We wanted something simple, quick, and easy, because we do understand that these builders are wearing many hats, and this is just one more job to add to their ever-growing list of to do for the day. So
yeah. So with that, it's very good that you created the software. So maybe we'll back up a little bit, and maybe you can tell us why you decided to create Quality Connect, this construction management software, to begin with.
Well, we noticed a lot of smaller builders and infill builders were starting off without a construction background at all. They're getting into it as a hobby, a way to make extra money, or a change of careers, and they didn't know what they didn't know. So they would sort of go at it, and they would ask for advice as they went along, make a lot of errors, try and learn from their errors, and hopefully they didn't make any fatal errors along the way. So we wanted to give them a way to make it an easier transition, to build their first home, to build their first investment property, to build their own home in an easier way, an easier, more organized, streamlined way, without having to make all the same errors that everyone makes when they start.
Very good. So who was this construction management platform made for?
Like I said, it's designed for smaller builders, first-time builders, guys that are doing a few homes a year. It's not designed for the larger construction companies. There's a lot of different software programs out there that they can use that are designed for one person full-time to operate the software. They're not designed for someone who like entering receipts in at the end of the day. They do it at the end of the day. They don't have 8 hours a day or 10 hours a day to dedicate to construction management.
Right. So now, what makes construction management software like Quality Connect so useful?
It keeps everything on a timeline, and that's, I don't know, everyone knows the saying, time is money. It's the same in construction. The longer it takes you to build the house, the more your carrying costs are, the less homes you can turn over a year. And if you're building it for a client, the client wants it on a deadline, and they see other construction sites going up, and they wonder why theirs is taking longer. And the longer it takes to build, the more work it is for the builder. And everything goes smooth and quick. It's streamlined and it's easy to do. So that's what it was designed to do, is make everything a little more streamlined. And it's also a great way to keep track of costs along the way.
So this might be obvious, but who really benefits from using Quality Connect?
Everybody. Everybody in the residential construction scope of work. It's great for the builder. They can price their job, they can coordinate the job, schedule their job very easily, very quickly, and it prompts them to ensure that they've notified all the trades, that they're getting quotes from people, shelving, glass for their shower, mirrors, stuff that sometimes slips through the cracks till you're wandering through the house and wondering, what am I missing? Why is this house doesn't look like the house I'm living in right now? Right, there's no mirrors in the bathroom, or there's no shelving in the pantry or in the closet, stuff like that seems to get missed. It helps to prompt the builder to make sure he's got all of those things scheduled and priced at the start, and then when they contact the trade, they say, yeah, you know what, we want a 2-week lead time, or we want a 3-week, or we need a 3-month lead time if you're ordering something like custom cabinets, or you're getting your tile from Italy or something like that. It's not something you call last minute. So getting those quotes and getting it all at the start of the project prompts you that you need to order some of these things sooner rather than later. And a well-organized builder is a dream to work for as a trade. They give you the lead time, so you know when the job's going to be ready. You can transition directly into it. Everything's there. All the information you need. You can get in, get your job done, get out, get paid in a fast, organized manner, less stress. It's definitely a dream to work for, and all of that translates into the build. If you have an organized builder, great qualified trades that are all streamlined and have all the information and products that they need, the house gets built fast. The homeowner's extremely happy. They've got a house on budget, on time, great product. It's a win-win all around.
Awesome. So how is QualityConnect, your construction management solution, different from others that are out there?
It's not required, like I said, you don't need a degree to operate it, and it's not a large purchase. It's not something that you spend thousands of dollars up front and then you spend $500 or $600 a month in a membership fee to have a software. This is designed to get your pricing, which you need, whether you're getting it funding through the bank or funding for a customer or building it for yourself. You still need to know what it's going to cost.
Right.
So at that stage is when you get to schedule everything. It's built in with the costing. So it's something you're going to do anyway. So it's not really an added step or something that needs to be inputted daily. You don't need to carry a tablet onto site and track the status of every trade throughout your build. It's something you can update as you need, and it's something that's built in with the pricing system. So it's designed for the people that should track the job but don't have time to track the job.
Gotcha. Now, I know we've talked about this before, but why is that so important?
Why is it important to track the job?
Yeah, why is it important to use something like this to be able to track the job?
Well, a lot of builders, when they do decide to get into building as a business, they don't track this. They don't know what it cost them to build the house. They just keep going. They just keep using money from one house to fund the completion of the next house, and the sale of that one funds the start of the next one. And at the end of the day, they really don't know if they made any money or not. A lot of them are, the cash comes in, the cash goes out, and then all of a sudden they're sitting for a little bit, and then you see builders of all sizes go under. You see larger ones, smaller ones, custom ones, infill ones. And a lot of them are going under based on cash flow and based on not making any money on their projects. And if you're tracking this, then you can see at the end of the build, we did well or we didn't. What can we do different? How can we improve?
Awesome. Now, is a management system necessary?
An official management system, no. As long as you're tracking the job and you're scheduling the job. Some people still track receipts through credit cards, and that's how they keep track of the job. I'm sure if you talk to any accountant or bookkeeper, they still have customers coming in with boxes and boxes of receipts or stuffed in an envelope. As long as you're tracking it, you're scheduling your job on time, you know what's coming next, you know what you've done, what needs to be done, all the trades have their information, and you're tracking the cost. That's really all you need. If you're doing that through Excel, or you've got a big legal notepad or a big whiteboard on the wall that you're writing everything down, as long as you're tracking it and scheduling it appropriately, then that's really all you need. You don't need a $100,000 management system to do that if you can do it on a wall. But if you're not writing it down, you're going to get in trouble along the way.
Somehow, some way, he's going to catch up with you.
So
there you have it from Andrew Wellwood, founder of QualityConnect. He's also a builder, so that's how he knows all these answers and the reason why he created this amazing tool for people to use to make sure that their projects get off on the right foot and get started well and end well. So that's it for us today. If you like what you heard, just subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys next time.